Hello. Well, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the soil I use in my square foot gardening, and this is because of a request I had. It's been raining for the last few days, so it wasn't a good time to come out here. And even now you can see, well, you probably can't see, but I'm just going to tell you that this is really wet. But even really wet, look how it's not clumped together. And this is what you want. You want really that soil that you can run your fingers through and everything is just really nice. That's what I've always wanted, and that's what I've got. This is called Mel's Mix. And this whole bed was put together with a third peat moss, a third vermiculite, and a third blended compost. I'm going to talk about that in just a second. What I do want to say is that after you harvest everything in a square, you take a spoonful of your blended compost and work it back into the soil and then plant the next thing, the next crop. I also wanted to talk just a little bit. I came out here today and got some more spinach that was planted last fall. And when I harvest the spinach, I just pick one and I pick it off close to the bottom so that the stem is still on it. And then I pick off the stem so that I'm only taking the leaves in the house. But by doing that, the plant will continue to grow. So I don't pull up a plant when it's ready. I just pick off the leaves individually and they grow some more. This is the book I recommend to get all your gardening information from. This is the All New Square Foot Gardening, and this is the third edition, which has been fully updated. This method was developed by Mel Bartholomew, and this edition is with the help of the Square Foot Gardening Foundation. Chapter 7 of the third edition of the All New Square Foot Gardening contains everything you need to know about Mel's Mix, the magical growing medium. Mel's Mix is made up of a third peat moss, a third vermiculite, not perlite, and a third compost. And the compost can be compost that you make at home, or like some of us that don't have enough material, it's compost made by using purchased ingredients. And you want to use as many different ones of those as you can find, but read the ingredients carefully so that you don't add something that you don't really want or need. And remember that some of the bags of compost don't say compost in the title. They just have some fancy name. Some types of compost that you might find are mushroom, cow manure, bat guano, worm castings, cotton burr, or the residue from vegetable canning. Your local industries may have different kinds of compost. You want to gather your compost ingredients, use an equal amount of each one, and then blend well. Remember, a third compost, a third peat moss, a third vermiculite. For more information, look for the All New Square Foot Gardening book and also the Square Foot Gardening Foundation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And please check out my other videos for violin, fiddle, mandolin students in theory and in rhythm. Thank you and bye-bye.